Hey guys, it's Laurel from Arts Nursery and we are in our veggie area. It is the perfect temperature out there to start planting your vegetables. If you have already started planting your vegetables and you're noticing some gaps in your garden, we've got you covered. We've got cauliflower, we've got eggplant, we've got some great pepper plants. These are grown to perfection and they're ready to go out into your garden. We're getting to our favorite spot, the tomatoes. I love fresh tomatoes. There is something so wonderful about biting into a sun-warmed tomato. You just can't get that flavor anywhere else. So there's two different types of tomatoes. There's determinate and indeterminate. Determinate tomatoes have a set height and they have a more concentrated production season. Indeterminate are those big sprawlers and they have a wider production time. They both actually benefit from tomato cages or some good sturdy stakes like we have on that tomato. They both love at least 6 hours of sun and some good all-purpose fertilizer. I usually apply mine every 2 weeks. Tomatoes can be grown in the ground or you can grow them in a larger size container. I like to mulch my tomatoes once they get going to hold the moisture in. I've companion planted some of my tomatoes with basil because I can make a spaghetti sauce and have the pesto all in one area. So I've got a couple of things that I need to pick up. You can come and shop with me. We've got some great basil. I'm gonna take that, add that to my tomatoes. We've got a lovely herb section. If you want something that's sweet, but you don't want to use sugar, you can use stevia. It's fun to have in your garden. I need some oregano as well to make that perfect tomato paste. And we've got a ton of different types of mints as well if you need to make that perfect summer mojito. And right behind, if you need to beef up your salad, we've got some glorious varieties. Thanks for coming. Come and visit us in our veggie area. See ya.